Hey, Frederick.
Frederick. We named him Frederick.
Yes, we did.
It's a little bird.
Hello. Oh, God, it flapped its wings. Now it's flying. Hey. Hey, Frederick. Want to get a soda?
Do you guys see it? Let us know in the comments.
I think they can, because I can.
Well, I can't see it.
Oh, God. Frederick, don't go through that hole if there isn't. Oh, there's not a hole back there. Where?
He's not under there.
Oh, I can see him.
Ew. Ew. I just touched bird stuff. Gross.
Maybe it was water.
No.
It was white?
No.
Frederick, did you poop?
Ew. Get it off. Get it off. Get it off.
I mean,
Get it off.
what is it?
It's poop. Get it off, Sierra.
Get a leaf.
I can't. I don't want to. I don't want to touch it. No, take it off of that. Just scrape it on my leg. Are you still recording this?
Oh
Oh,
my God. Okay.
please, Sierra, I'm going to kill you if you don't help me.
That's threatening.
No! Take it off of that.
Take what off of the wood?
Take the poop off and scrape it on my leg with the board.
Oh, okay. I see. I get you. Hold on, guys. I gotta scrape this poop off.
Frick, now I need to get freaking new pants. Because freaking poop got all over me. Thanks a lot, Frederick.
Yeah, Frederick.
Freaking poop. Look at that. That's gross.
Is that supposed to be baby poop? Like baby bird poop?
I don't know, because I've seen bird poop before.
Yeah, and
because
it's
the chicken
white.
pooped on me.
And was it that color?
Yes. Now I need to get freaking pants.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll be waiting.
Don't record any of this. Delete this after.
Okay. There is no way I'm deleting this.
The back door doesn't work.
Oh, wow. Okay. Frederick, I am going to spank you after this. I'm going to throw you on the ground, even though you're a harmless little... Well, you're not that harmless.
Even pick
Wait, did I get it on my shoe?
I think the bird left.
Good, I didn't get it on my shoe. That's good. Okay, I did not get it on my shoe, guys.